This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by Julieh Henke. Very nice and spacious raised ranch with tons of updates. Kitchen was remodeled approx 6 years ago with new cabinets, countertops, awesome backsplash, stainless steel appliances and flooring. Huge living room with gas start fireplace. Nice large master with walk-in closet and private bath. Brand new carpet in the rec room. Some new paint. Vinyl sided, no more exterior painting. Newer windows and garage doors. Nice large fenced yard. Great location with easy access to highway and tons of amenities. Hurry! For more information, review the details below or contact Julieh Henke at 816-716-7006.